Guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad to have you back again. Guys, I'll be showing you how to make bulgur at home. Bulgur is usually made from wheat berries, and you can easily substitute this for any recipe that calls for quinoa, couscous and brown rice. In order to make bulgur, we are going to start by boiling our dried wheat berries. For this bulgur recipe, I'm going to be using 2 cups of wheat berries. So I'm just going to put a pot of water on heat, then bring the berries into it. There are 2 ways to do this. You can either soak this in hot water for 2 hours, or you can easily boil this for 15 minutes. So I'm just going to place a lid over it. 15 minutes later, I'm just going to come back to my wheat, then check them. Okay, once I press one against my fingers, they break into 2. So I'm just going to turn off my heat because they're ready. I'm just going to turn this over a strainer and allow to drain. Once the liquid is completely drained from my wheat berries, I'm just going to spread them out in a tray. You can use the oven or you can use your dehydrator to dry this. Whichever method is convenient for you, just go ahead and use it. I'm just going to place this in the sun to dry. So guys, I've dried my wheat for 1.5 days and it's completely dried. Now that the wheat is dried, it's now time to make our bulgur. The process is quite easy. If you have a dry mill, you can easily use it, or if you have a very powerful blender, it's easy to do this. So I'm just going to bring my wheat into the blender. It's always best to do this in batches, so I'm just going to do this in batches. Okay, the purpose is to break the wheat into pieces and not to grind it into powder. So guys, after breaking this is what we've got. It's time to sieve this to separate the grains into different grades. So for the finer grains, I'm going to use a tiny hole strainer. After sifting out our bulgur, we have the finest particles here, and we are still going to separate this to another grade. Okay, for this one I'm going to be using a larger hole strainer. I'm just going to sieve this into another container. I'm done straining this, and we have the much larger bulgur. Well, this is the medium-sized bulgur. So guys, the reason why we parboil this first before cracking is to prevent contamination and also to extend the shelf life and prevent mold from forming. And also another reason was to help hasten the cooking time. So whenever you want to cook this, it's really going to be quick. It's not going to take so much time. Guys, this was how to make bulgur at home. For this medium-sized particles, you can use it to make tabbouleh or salad, and for this you can use it to make porridge. Thank you for watching this video. I really do appreciate that. Until next time, bye for now.